Arts class, and this week we'll be making crescent dogs. I decided to switch up from the original recipe, which was actually called Ramen 2.0. We're going to switch up because there was just so many different ways we could have done that I decided to scrap that, okay? So today we're going to do crescent dogs. It is 3 ingredients. It was super inexpensive. It's fun. Everyone will love this activity, okay? It's sort of a take on a more upgraded corn dog. And so, of course, as we know, the first thing we need to do is wash our hands. Again, if you did not watch the Pop-Tart video, the very first few minutes has the perfect way to wash your hands, including getting in between those fingernails, okay? So go wash your hands and we'll be right back with my very special guest. Hey families, we're back, and so what we're going to do now is I'm just going to show you the ingredients that we're going to use. So the first thing is the crescent rolls. Son showed them the crescent rolls. These were on sale for 89 cents at Aldi, so we love that. Okay, next we're going to show the cheese. And guys, you guys can use any type of cheese that you want. The recipe actually called for American just because it melts really well, and usually people have the American on deck. Go ahead and put that aside. And then for those of you who do not eat pork, I've got some turkey hot dogs because I don't eat pork, but again, you guys can use any type of hot dogs that you want. Okay? Okay, family, so what we're going to do is only if you guys are putting cheese in these are you going to slice them. So we're going to slice them, and you don't want to slice all the way down because we still want them to be closed, okay? And then we're going to just go ahead, and the recipe I think calls for 3 of these slices, and so I think that's a good number. I'm just going to go ahead and put 3 slices in here like so. You can do more or less, and again, you can also choose to forgo the cheese. I'm going to pick it right up. I'm going to come right over here, put it in just like this. And again, if you need to sort of stretch the dough some, you can. Just going to roll that right up. Easy as so. Any little edges you've got, I do it like this, my people, and we are done. Okay, so my people, I've already split his hot dog for him, so he is just putting in 1, 2, and 3. Oh, he's going to add another one, huh? He must like his cheesy. He must do a small orange justice, and he is going to wrap it right up. Hey family, so what I'm going to do now is I am going to show you how to make them with just using the hot dog and no cheese, okay? So I'm just going to put it at the end. I'm going to roll it right up. And these are so simple, guys. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, okay? And again, it doesn't have to come out beautiful, my people, right? The whole point is just to get it wrapped up, and we're going to put these in a pan, and we'll be right back. Okay, families, and so this is what it looks like right now. We've got the ones on the top that are filled with cheese, and then we've got the other ones, and the one at the end over here to the right are just the regular ones. So I've got this oven preheated to 350, and we will show you what they look like shortly. Bye! Hey families, and we are back. We had the oven at about 350, and we probably cooked them about 10-12 minutes, and again, this all is really dependent upon your oven, and so I'm just going to show you what they are looking like. Yummy, yummy. Okay, they look really, really good. Okay, so this is actually probably the quickest video that we've done. It might have been the quickest recipe, and probably the least expensive. And so I would say altogether we probably used about $2.50, and the only reason why I'm saying 50 cents is because of the cheese. We used a few slices of cheese, but again, if you already have cheese, we probably used a total of 2 slices of cheese, and again, we put them on 4 hot dogs. We didn't do all the hot dogs, we just did them on 4. And so you can probably use more cheese, you can use less, but the crescent rolls were 89 cents, like I said, on sale. The hot dogs themselves, I paid about $2.09 for the turkey ones, but the pork ones, I believe, were like 79 cents, 89 cents, something like that, if you were to get those ones. So again, less than $1. So for the ones that specifically we did, it was about $2.10 for the hot dogs. It was about 89 cents, 90 cents for the crescent rolls. So let's say that comes to about $3, and we already had cheese in our refrigerator. But if, let's say, I went to the deli and got $1 worth of cheese and we only used 2 slices, then altogether I probably would have spent about $3.50. You'd probably spend about $2.50 if you didn't use the turkey hot dogs and you, let's say, something like pork or beef. Okay, so again, guys, you know what we have to do. What do we have to do?
Eat it.
We've got to eat and we've got to try, my people. So okay, so why don't you go ahead and grab one? I think I'm gonna get one of these with cheese. Me too. So I've got one right here with cheese. Yummy, yummy. It looks delicious. My son, as we always do, I am going to cheers to you. Thank you again for being such a great host, a great co-host, and a great videographer at times, because he is the bomb. So let's go ahead and taste these things. What are you thinking? Excuse me. They're flaky, buttery. The cheese gave it a nice little salty, melty flavor. It didn't do too much. I was worried that with the cheese it might be maybe a little overkill, but it actually came out really, really good. We baked them to perfection. And so, my people, this is a really great one. I'm glad that we actually went with this. These made 8 of them. So again, if you've got smaller kids, you can maybe make these and cut them maybe in two or three pieces. If you got bigger kids, they'll probably definitely eat 1 or 2 of these. But these were such a great recipe. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please don't forget to send me pictures. And shout out to all of my ones who continue each week to come back and to continue to make these ridiculously quick, inexpensive, and tasty recipes with us. So until next time, bye guys.
Bye.